students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is the electric field due to an electric dipole at any point on its axis, which is at the distance r from its center, varies according to our options given is E directly proportional to r, E inversely proportional to r, E inversely proportional to r square, and E inversely proportional to r cube. And r is given greater than length of a dipole. So if we have a dipole, this is our negative charge and this is our positive q charge, and this is our dipole. Correct? The direction is from negative charge to positive charge, and this length is, let's suppose this length is a. Correct? And electric field at distance r from its center, so this is our center, so from center at some distance r, there is a point. At this point we are supposed to find the electric field, whether it is proportional to how it is related to r basically. And given in the question, r is greater than a, the length of a dipole. So electric field formula at this distance is 2 kp by r cube. So E is inversely proportional to r cube. So correct answer will be option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.